Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look at Ford Capri Mark III in 1/24 scale, made by Bburago. Real scale Ford Capri Mark III was produced from 1978 up to 1986 only in Cologne, Germany. Through its life, a lot of trim and engine varieties were available. This particular model represents Capri 2.8 injection in crystal green metallic color. Designer of Capri Mark III was U.E. Bonson, same man who styled almost all late 70s and early 80s European Fords. The model itself was made by Chinese Bburago, but package claims that it was designed by Italians. I think they didn't lie to us. I am not a big fan of 1/24 scale, but sometimes I can have an exceptions, especially if it's a very beautiful model for good price. Unfortunately, real lights have wrongly painted segments. Clear segments should be positioned more to the inner side. Model features an opening front doors. Unfortunately, steering wheel can't be turned together with front wheels, just like as an old Italian Bburago models could. As I am an Italian Bburago fan, I rarely accept Chinese ones. But for my surprise, this model is very well built, with all necessary features that represents real Ford Capri Mark III. Despite some mismatches, model has a spirit of good old Italian Bburago styling that catches your heart. I hope that there will be more heart-catching models by Chinese Bburago. I think you liked this Capri too. Leave in comments what model of Chinese Bburago you like most.